I recently purchased a new item called the Airmoto. It's a portable air pump designed to work with your car, bicycle, motorcycle, and just about anything you have. I personally do a lot of cycling and I love road trips, so this has been a great gadget to add to my car. Today I'm going to take you through an unboxing and show you how to use all the settings. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you notice right off the bat is that the packaging is really good quality. It's very durable, high quality, well protected. That's what's really awesome. I love products that are like that. You can see here, this is BP198. It gives you some application juices here, PSI, and the other measurements. Gives you kind of an overview on the back side. So let's go ahead and dive in. Pull off the little plastic cover here. And we have the user's manual. Inside the user's manual are all the instructions. And I also found the user manual is located on the website. So here is the air pump itself. Very high quality. It has like a little film cover right here. We'll pull this off. Wow, looks really good. Really solid, really well built. All right, so first thing, since I've already read the instructions, you press the air hose button at the bottom. It will release the air hose that's stored inside of it. And this attaches by just screwing in right here. Now, the default connector right here is the Schrader connector. So this would work with your car and other fairly standard valves. Now there's a button right here on the side. Once you attach this to your car or other item, you can press this button and it actually deflates. So you can adjust the pressure up as well as take air out in order to find the right PSI or other measurement you're looking for. To turn it on, you press the middle button, which is the power button, for 3 seconds. Bam, it's on. So you can see here on the screen, it has PSI, it has a green battery indicator, and it's currently set to bicycle. The top digital read here is for reading your existing pressure once it's detected, and this is where you're setting the pressure that you'd like. So there's a few buttons here. At the top is the letter U, which stands for units. So this allows you to change between PSI, bar, kPa, and kilograms as well. And you can also see right here at the bottom, there is an option to choose between different particular items. So bicycle, basketball, this was considered custom, and car. So it has some presets that you can still adjust, but let's go to the custom one here. And you can see here, we're able to press and hold the button. It goes all the way up to 120, press and hold it down, it goes all the way down. It's capable of outputting pressure as low as up to 3 PSI readings, as well as up to 120 PSI. It's pretty straightforward. There's also a couple additional features. There is a LED light at the top in case it's nighttime or it's dark wherever you're at. You can press the U button for 3 seconds. It turns on the LED light. Press it again for 3 seconds, it turns it off. Right here at the top, you will also see that there's a USB Type-C connection. That is where you would plug it in order to charge the device. When the indicator is green, it means it's fully charged. If you see it yellow, it means it's getting low, and if it's red, that means it's low battery, and you should recharge it. To turn it off, you simply press the power button for 3 seconds again, and it will cut off. To cut it off, you simply press the power button and hold it for 3 seconds, and it turns off. Now, let's go ahead and check out the connections and the pouch that comes with all of the connectors. The needle connector, which is for basketballs, footballs, and similar items. We have a general connector, which is designed for like inflatable pool toys and things like that. And then we have a press the valve connector. So this here would simply screw in to the top, and we will check those out in just a moment. And then it also comes with the charging cable. Now it does not come with a charging cube, but it works with any standard 5-volt, 2-amp charging cube. So very straightforward, it's very high quality. Let's turn it on real quick so you can see what it sounds like. As you can see, it does have a little bit of noise, but that's expected for a portable air pump, especially one this size and this powerful. Simply, to store it away, you would unscrew the air hose, slide it with the threads first going into the slot, it clicks, and you're set. That's all good. Now you don't have to press the release button in order to pull out the air hose. You actually can just pull it straight out here. This is a common question that I've seen in the reviews, that people are not able to find the air hose, but it's located right here. Overall, I love my Airmoto so far, and it's got a lot of cool gadgets with it that makes it work with just about anything I have, so no complaints here. Enjoy yours.